Yeah, you put your visor up now, look. So this is Mallory Park. It's a racetrack. It's nice and steady, 5 miles per hour. Here we go, look, we're on the racetrack. Pretty cool. Hello. Yeah, yo. So we're going into the middle of the track. Yo. Big turnout. Here we are on the filthy Tenere. I was going to clean it, but I nearly fell asleep instead. Ducati. Where are we going then? I got you, my man. There's the lake. Take a big loop like this lot. Whee.